Like that.
No. Okay, I like that one. Okay. So, my name is Tiana Zoomer. I am a hoop dancer. That is real. That happens. And in fact, I am female hula hooper of the year, as voted on by other hoopers. I know, we make the awards up when we get to celebrate. I get a year, I'm going to say it. 1 year, and then it's over. So I want, yoga is something that has just incredibly helped my practice when I'm like, I love this and I could do this for hours, but it's nice to have separate practices that also stretch out the hips and such. It really is an amazing also body-focusing practice, and I've written a lot of poetry. It's just another third just vehicle for good life living for me. And so I like to do combination performances, and I'm offering 2 this evening. So thank you guys very much. Okay. I've learned something recently. The arc is the strongest structure we know. Even Da Vinci marveled at the inspiration in the arch of his foot. You see, the structure gets stronger the more gracefully it moves with tension. All which does not bow to pressure will break at the focal point of where it refuses to bend. But do not fear, we're learning here. We are meant to break our connectors. Understanding our key to healing, soon enough we may learn that we will break all we know until we can simply understand. We are given eyes to see, ears to listen, body to move. These are the bending practices. Trust, arches lived in the cathedral of our hearts. And I have never been more inspired than when I resonated like a wave from the echoes that dance from the halls of youth. We are born together to be inspired. I thank you for inspiring me. And I invite you to bend with all that inspires you.